Hi, my name is Scott Gardner, and this is our website, ProfitableWebHosting.net, which is the companion website to my book, Profitable Web Hosting. We've talked about profit. Now we're going to talk about exactly what is web hosting. When someone needs to put up a website, they have to have somewhere on the internet to put it, to host it. It's a space that they can build out, do whatever it is that they want with it, whatever the host allows, and that's when they can start advertising. Hey, I'm at, in our case, ProfitableWebHosting.net. You can do a number of different things with a website. You can have a static website that just shows a brochure. It's hi, this is what we are. This is who we, this is who we are, what we offer. These are our services and products. Come stop by and visit us, whatever. You can have things like a blog where you can write or have a video of your opinions, your information. You can run an e-commerce store where you might have 2,000 different items that you sell, or different combinations thereof, and you can offer your products and services for sale to the people who stop by your website. Some websites aren't really public at all. It's just a space on the internet for storage of sometimes pictures, sometimes audio, sometimes again, information for an e-commerce site. All the data that makes up the catalog for an e-commerce site. There's a lot of different things that you can have on there. That's what the end result of hosting is. What exactly is web hosting? It's where you have a chunk of space, website space, and bandwidth, which is incoming and outgoing message capability. Message capability includes the transfer of, say, pictures, text, video, audio, that sort of thing, that you turn around and resell to your clients. If this is a little vague, let's think of a skyscraper. Let's think of a physical skyscraper, okay? That empty building is the server, okay? That's just the space where you can build office spots. Let's say you buy the right to sell the upper half of the building. You can do whatever it is that you want with it. Now you can turn around to clients and say, here's an office space that is exactly 5,000 square feet. It is configured this way. Move in or don't. I don't care. You could be that way. You could say, here's the entire floor, the 9th floor of the building. How much of it do you want? Do you want me to create the interior of it for you, or do you want to hire someone else to create it? You could have different types of clients, different types of businesses. One might be a photographer who keeps his stuff there, goes out to do shoots, comes back, develops his pictures and everything else, but doesn't have any clients coming in. You could have, it doesn't really work great on the 9th floor, but you might have a retail location where the doors are open to the public. Let's say they're selling clothing. That would probably work good on the 1st floor of a high-rise building. But they have a large amount of product that people are going to be coming in the door, looking at it, possibly buying it, taking it out, that sort of thing. You could have, say, a plumber who, again, is like a service business. He might stock some small plumbing supplies there, okay, but he runs out to do his to perform his business. Essentially, what you're doing with web hosting is you've got a large amount of space that you are in turn slicing up into pieces and turning around and reselling that to your clients. Some of your clients will have their own websites done already. All they want is the open space. They'll dump their own stuff in there, and that's it. Some people will want you, your company, to help them build their website, structure it, put in a content management system, or put in a few HTML pages or whatever. Other people are going to be a mix of that. I can do 90% of the stuff on my own, but I need help on 10% of that. Essentially, again, this is what web hosting is. You're taking space on someone else's server or your own, breaking it up, and selling it in smaller chunks to service the needs of other people who want to have their own website, their own internet business hosted through you. That's about it. Hopefully that explains what web hosting is. We'll see you in the next video.